Hello friends and welcome back to the another amazing live stream video. So guys, let's talk about today honestly about the healthcare in America because what's happening right now affects every single family watching this. House Republicans have introduced something called the Lower Healthcare Premiums for All Americans Act. And unlike the usual politic noise, this one actually focuses on what people feel every single month, their premiums. For years, Americans were promised affordable care, stability, and lower cost. But what they got instead was sticker shock. Premiums didn't just creep up, they exploded. Deductibles went through the roof, coverage shrank, and families were left paying more for less while being told the system was working just fine. So, guys, the truth here is the current healthcare system didn't break by accident. It was broken by the design. Under the so called Affordable Care Act, cost skyrocketed for working Americans who don't qualify for massive subsidies but also aren't wealthy enough to absorb the constant increases. And now, instead of admitting failure, the same people who created the mess are talking and asking taxpayers to pour billions more into a system that everyone already knows is riddled with the fraud, waste, and abuse. So, guys, that's not a reform, that's denial. What Republicans are saying with this new bill is simple: stop throwing the good money after the bad policy. If premiums are crushing families, then the solution isn't more bureaucracy, more mandates, or more government micromanagement. The solution is competition, transparency, and letting Americans actually choose plans that make the sense for their lives. When insurers have to compete, prices come down. When consumers have the options, they get the quality improvement. And when the waste is cut, the system finally starts working for the people paying the bills. So, guys, this bill isn't about the slogans, it's about the common sense. It's about acknowledging that forcing everyone into one rigid system doesn't create affordability, it creates dependency and dysfunction. Americans don't want a healthcare lecture. They want relief. They want to open their bill and not feel punished for simply existing. They want to feel a prescription without wondering which other expense they will have to cut that month. And let's be clear about something else. Fixing healthcare doesn't mean abandoning people who need the help. It means making sure help actually reaches them instead of getting swallowed by administrative bloat and corrupt middlemen. A system full of fraud doesn't serve the patients. A system full of waste doesn't serve the doctors. It only serves itself. So, guys, the bottom line is this: Democrats built a system that promised affordability and delivered chaos. Republicans are stepping in with a plan that focuses on lowering premiums, restoring choice, and stopping the endless money pit. This isn't a radical, it's responsible. And it's not about left versus right. It's about whether Americans deserve a healthcare system that works for them instead of against them. And for the first time in a long time, there is a real effort on the table to fix what was broken. Not with the excuses, but with the action. So, guys, just let me know what do you think on this reform. And thank you so much for joining today and being with me till the end. Also, subscribe to our channel so for such amazing policy decisions and daily global and US politics news. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.